Okay, so today we're going to learn about writing a paragraph on space. So we're going to start with our topic sentence, and I'm going to write the sentence, I like space. So start with a capital, leave a finger space, dive down L, dive down I, dive down K, kick up, kick down, hit the ball and run around the base for like. So far we have I like, leave a finger space, and then we'll write space. Magic CS, dive down, swim back up around and bump the P. Magic CA, magic C, and hit the ball and run around the base for E. I like space. Don't forget your period. Then we'll want to use the transition word first. Make it a capital. Dive down. Dive down I. Dive down R. Magic CS. Dive down T. Leave a comma and make a space, and I think I'll write our sun is a star. So we'll do magic CO, dive down U, dive down R, leave a finger space, magic CS, dive down U, dive down N. So we have the word sun, and now we need is a star. Leave a finger space, dive down I, magic CS, magic CA. First, our sun is A, and we'll leave a finger space and write star. Magic CS, dive down T, magic CA, dive down R, period. So we have I like space, and first our sun is a star. Next we'll write the word next, and then we'll do our S sound, hit the ball and run around the base. X, slide, slide for X, dive down for T, next, comma, leave a finger space. I'm going to write stars are hot. So stars starts with an S, magic CS, dive down T, st, that is going to be a magic C, A, and then dive down R. Next, stars, magic CS, leave a finger space, R, magic CA, dive down R, hit the ball and run around the base. That's the word R. Leave a finger space, and we'll do the word hot. Dive down H, magic CO, dive down T, hot, and period. Last, so we need our capital L, magic CA, magic CS, dive down T, comma. I'm going to write the moon is rocky. Dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball and run around the base for E. The moon, finger space, dive down M. Ooh is 2 magic C O's. And then dive down N. The moon, leave a finger space, dive down I, magic CS. The moon is, leave a finger space, rocky. Magic CO, magic CC, and rocky actually has a K, so dive down K, kick up, kick down, and then the E sound at the end is a Y. Slide, slide, and period. Now we're on our last sentence. I'm going to use all in all. Slide, slide, A. Dive down, all. Now finger space, dive down I, dive down in. All in, finger space, we'll do all. Magic CA, dive down L, dive down L, comma. I'm just going to repeat the first sentence that I wrote, my topic sentence. All in all, maybe instead I'll change it to love. Ooh, dive down L, magic CO, slide down, slide up for the V, hit the ball and run around the bases for the E. I love, leave a finger space, space. Magic CS, dive down P, magic CA, magic CC, and hit the ball and run around the base for E. Don't forget your period. Can't wait to hear what you write for your paragraph about space. Bye now.